In this tutorial, we'll be implementing three methods within the content view. The three methods include move player to enable the user to move the player, and update bullets to loop through the bullets currently active in the game and remove bullets that have moved off the screen. And also we'll be implementing a method called Update Invaders. The purpose of that method is to enable the movement of each invader to move horizontally across the screen. So that's what we're doing in this tutorial. Within your content view, add the following method, which is called movePlayer, func move player to location CG point let new x equals min max location dot x 0 UI screen dot main dot bounds dot width player position dot x equals new x. So the purpose of that method is to limit the player's movement within the screen bounds, so that the player is always on the actual screen and they can never scroll off of the screen. Our next method that we need to create is called update bullets, func update bullets for I in 0 dot dot less than bullets dot count. So we're looping through all of the bullets in the array. Bullets dot position dot x plus equals bullets open bracket I dot velocity dot dx. And then we'll do the same thing for the Y position. Position dot Y velocity dy. And then we exit the loop. Bullets equals bullets dot filter $0 dot position is more than 0 and $0 dot position. Now this one should be $0 dot position dot y. And this one should be dot y as well. Is less than UI screen dot main dot bounds dot height. So this method, update bullets on line 96, it loops through all the bullets that are currently active in the game, and then on lines 98, it updates the X and Y position of the bullets based on its velocity. On line 103, it removes the bullets that have been moved off screen above the top edge of the screen. And then the other method we need to create is called update invaders. And what we need to do is to loop through all of the invaders in the array. And then for each of the invaders in the array, we need to get the X position and the invader's direction. Invaders position X, then we concatenate it with the invader's speed multiplied by the invader's direction. And then we need to check to make sure that the invaders hasn't reached the edge of the screen. Position.x more than UI screen. Main bounds width -20 or $0 position x is less than 20. So if the invaders have or they're near the end of the screen, what we need to do is to move each of the invaders downwards towards the screen. So the invaders reach the bottom of the screen. For I in 0 dot invaders dot count, invaders open bracket I dot position y plus equals 10. So for each 10 pixels, each invader will be moved downwards to the screen. I'll just compile it, just make sure it's okay. In next week's tutorial, we will add the functionality to enable the invaders to shoot bullets and to also check for collision detection. So the purpose of collision detection is that it enables the player's lives to be reduced each time when they are hit with one of the enemy's bullets. So that is for next week's tutorial. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.